So today I'm going to be getting my boyfriend with the honk for good luck prank.
Yeah, I just made my thing, so I gotta hurry up.
Oh, shit.
YouTube? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I see you doing it. I was finna say, you got to get somebody. What's your YouTube channel? MKTV, MKAE TV.
Oh, you right there.
I know. He finna get out.
See this.
I know. But his other channel, he got a gaming channel. It's called Me Go Cut It Up.
Okay, I got you.
All right. I know. I'm about to hurry up and get back in. We need to do a car vlog because we don't never do that. And he said I look like a grandma. Here, what? Let me drive. Throw it out.
Why?
Cause I was finna drive by. But go, sit in the car.
Ooh.
I know that ain't on because you know why? I seen your glove compartment last week.
Well, ain't nothing in my glove compartment.
That's new.
No, it's not. What my glove compartment got to do with it?
What the hat? Let me wear that hat back there. Can you reach it? Hold on. I'll look for you. Dang. I got $50 if you could go half of the car ride with no music. 50. On me right now.
50?
50. If you could go halfway, half the car ride, I got 50. Look, you want to use my things?
Damn, for real? What
I
you
look
want?
crazy.
What you want?
Yeah, I got toothpaste on my nose and...
What up, people? On the way to get my oldest daughter, Abby, let's just ask some random questions. What's your favorite color?
Let's see if we still remember each other. What's my favorite color?
Your favorite color?
Mm-hmm.
Is red.
Quit playing.
Yellow. Blue. Purple.
Quit playing.
What?
What is it?
I just told you. Blue.
Blue, exactly. Now
But
you
I'm saying you like the color yellow and purple.
Now you ask me a question.
Oh shit.
Whoa.
What's my favorite game to play?
2K.
No,
Would you rather jump off? Would you rather jump off a tree or jump off a light pole?
You rather jump off a tree? Jump off a light pole.
Boy, if you don't.
I'm not jumping off of nothing. Would you rather jump? What's the difference? What's the difference? You jump off a tree or a light pole? You're still gonna land the same.
Okay. Would you rather?
So would you rather jump off a tree? Or I thought that car wasn't.
I know, right?
go to Popeyes or what's the other place?
Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A any day.
Why Chick-fil-A though?
Chick-fil-A chicken tastes better. Would you rather lick a dirty foot or lick the grass dirt? Which one?
What? Lick a dirty foot or the grass dirty?
Lick a dirty foot or lick the grass?
That's not even comparable because I'm licking the grass. I'm not licking nobody's foot. That's not even, you can't even compare that. Alright. Would you rather go on a date, on your first date with a guy, would you rather go on a date on the outs or just like an inside the home date? Inside, like a Netflix or...
I feel like you're trying to take note.
I'm just asking a random question. I can't say nothing without you pertaining to us.
I'm just playing. I would rather stay at a home little date because on my first dates, I be nervous. I be nervous.
I've been going through an out date or an in date on your first date with a guy. An out date
I said
or
an in date. Well, where are we going today? This is different.
That's where I always go.
I've never seen this little ramp thing.
Where do I be going?
You would get on like a little Howard.
That's what I'm about to get on. She back there talking.
I can't believe my camera keep cutting off like that.
Is it set to like a certain timer?
I don't know. I don't even know how to do that.
That's clear though. I never change up on my homies. Alright, you said an end date?
Huh?
An end date? In the house date?
Would you rather eat a spider or eat a cockroach?
What kind?
These are would you rather
You
questions.
asking sci-fi questions. You know what I mean? Like some fear factor stuff. Alright, would you rather I got a good question. Would you rather have a threesome with a guy or another girl?
Another female. I'm not messing with another two guys.
Why?
That's a train. Train. That's a triple L to me. You want to do yours? That's an L. Letting two guys do it with another guy. That's an L for you. Bro said I look like I'm going to church real quick. This is the funniest thing because I literally like Mama.
I've been going through. You don't even know. I can't wait to get this bike. This bike is gonna be real nice. Can't you picture me on a all red boy drag to the ground? Feel me? And then continue to finish up my sleeves, put on that tank top, got the little backpack on with my helmet with the mohawk. Damn, it's hot.
Hot as hell.
And we got hot quick in here. But yeah, that bike gonna be raw. I'm gonna have it by May.
I hit the coop. I've been lazy.
Cause when it warm up outside, out. So all my people's family, online friends, girlfriend, I'm gonna need a little time to myself to get up out of there. Oh yeah, baby, they got us working till 9 p.m. It's like, nah.
Remember you said you was gonna take your bike to the parking garage?
I am. You're going pretty fast.
Be careful.
I mean, if you want to get over, like, why don't you just wait?
Everybody just calm down.
Dumbass. Dumb. Big stupid.
Dang, that sunlight was looking too good. So, Y'all want to judge this? Do I look like I'm going to church real quick?
I mean,
Trappers go through it, and you know I'm gonna brew it. I just talked, but I ain't gonna flop.
we about to do a freestyle challenge.
All right, come on.
I don't got
No, we're not doing no. No, if you a real freestylist, if you a real freestylist, man, you gonna know how to do it without a beat. Let's go. Here, and this cheating too.
What is that? It's not even, that sound like some Kabuki Joe beat. Like we got Hawaiian little dresses on and I don't know.
All right.
Hey, you know what? You know how people look so stupid behind you. Like say when you move your car because you think it's green and they move
And
too.
they go.
Yeah.
All right, come on, freestyle challenge right now.
What's that job Trill just came from?
He got another job.
No, he came from that he was trying
Oh,
to get out of.
okay. I see. Go ahead, freestyle start now.
Yeah. Hey, yeah.
Hey.
Cruising in the street in my 6'4", and I got them bitches, and I ain't talking about hoes. I'm getting money through Friday, Saturday.
Boy, if you don't.
Your rapping swagger is so slow.
What you mean? I ain't no speed rapper. This is a freestyle. Cause I'm chilling in my Bentley coupe. I'm swishing.
Do you hear this
Got
beat?
a swisher, got my weed.
Do you hear the beat
I'm
though?
missing. Got 100K on my wrist. It's glistening. I'm going crazy in the booth. Just a listen. Woo! Hold on.
Hell nah.
Damn.
Bryce, come on.
I just went crazy.
I done did better freestyles than that. Anyway.
I just went crazy. You hear what I said?
Bryce, I heard it, but it wasn't.
I
that.
just went nuts.
All right, I'm about to.
I don't even remember what I said. I said 100 on my clap. I said 100.
How you know where she at?
I don't know. She around here somewhere. I mean, they'll see me. If they not in this parking lot, they'll be pulling up. I said 100 on my cat. Hold on. What I say? 100K on my wrist is glistening.
I'm cruising in this.
I'm in the booth going crazy, nigga. Just hold on, nigga. Just listen. Got money in my pocket, nigga. I'm tripping. Off that Molly and them pills, nigga. I'm tripping. I'm going crazy in the booth, nigga. Just listen. I got the 6'4" on my coupe, nigga. I'm missing. Nigga say he on my head, but he steady missing. I got that 4-5 in my pocket, nigga. I'm busting. Oh, I can really rap, man. I can go crazy if I want to.
Do your wall.
Fuck that wall. I'm getting money, lil.
All right, y'all. So.
Where your freestyle at?
All right, come on.
I got a Chevy on Deuces, nigga.
You think you doing something?
Yeah, I can really rap. Or
right,
Twister.
Nah, I'm being dead serious right now. Hold on. You got some chapstick? Because I'm finna go in. You got some?
Chevy on 22s.
B.
I'm going crazy. Niggas wanna.
Lift your arm
Niggas
up.
hating on me. Wanna have my baby.
Back up. You just overdoing it. Talk about this old. This ain't old.
It is old.
This ain't old.
Yes, it is.
This ain't old. What you got in here?
Damn chapstick. I don't got none.
I know what you had in there.
Why didn't you go in your purse in the first place?
I forgot. I want y'all to ignore
Chopper's going crazy
that
on
toothpaste on my nose, because it's like.
Chopper's going crazy.
B, give it up.
Wanna have my baby.
Look, that ain't no freestyle no more. You
Not
think
today. I'm married.
Watch your mouth.
I get my money on my
What's
own.
married?
I'm on, bro.
Alright.
I'm from Naptown. How you was?
Alright. Boy, this is a good shirt. What are you talking about? Jurassic
That's my
World.
shirt.
This, right, let's be real. This is my mama's shirt.
That's my shirt. Oh my gosh.
B, come on.
What?
Let's start my freestyle. I can never say that. I just want to chew some gum, but you always think somebody. You always talk about
move,
his
goal,
breath, his breath
achieve. You reach your move, goal, me go. That's how it's done. Today I burned 440 calories. Is that a lot?
Yes.
Thanks, y'all. This is how I know I'm still a big dog.
I can wear this big
still
shirt
do
if I want to.
one-handed push-ups on both arms.
Should I take this off and actually just wear my big shirt?
Finally, yes, they got up here.
That was not even that long, bro.
I'm glad that it wasn't. Noel.
Denny, go to bed. Go to bed. Go.
Okay, 6'4" is easy to rhyme with
Nah,
that
this
shit.
is baby mama.
Okay. That's my record this.
Boy, you know it. Unlock the doors.
Somebody was asleep. Was you asleep? You need help? You okay? Yeah, you was definitely asleep. You just want to hear some real hot girl and house talk.
Guys, I can't take this no more.
Take what?
Just rapping.
What you mean?
Let's do the Would You Rathers again.
What's wrong with me rapping?
Cause this ain't going. It ain't going together.
She mad cause she don't got no flow like me. Rapping like Malibu Most Wanted.
Stop. Come on. What you doing? It's not funny. We shouldn't play in the car, and definitely because the kids are in the back. So please stop.
She's scared. Hit the 100 on you.
Stop.
Avion, you ready?
What?
We about to go real fast.
Stop playing.
You ready?
It's
Let's get it. I'm just kidding, I
playing all
can't.
the time. Right. I'm like, we in rush hour.
I hit the man. I'm about to hit this other lane and go crazy real quick. What?
What's on?
What's wrong with you? What's wrong?
Slow down a bit.
Every time you see a flash of red, all you see is stop.
Slow down a bit. That's what I mean. Slow down a bit.
Slow down a bit.
Slow down a bit.
That's how you use it. Slow down a bit. Country, yeah. Slow down a bit.
Slow down a bit. I had to put these shades on to disguise from these lame men and these haters. It's like, no, I'm just kidding.
What?
Disclaimer, I usually have my seatbelt on every car ride. Right now,
What does disclaimer mean?
Disclaimers means like just PSA, public service announcement.
Disclaimer. Like, why you gotta say that first? Just say PSA or for your information, FYI.
Yeah, it's like for your information, FYI.
Disclaimer. I'm with an online bank that allows to get paid 48 hours early.
Yeah, don't tell them everything. Don't tell them too much. They be coming for you.
Who coming for me?
You tell them too much, they might come for you.
That part don't even gotta go on YouTube. Maybe told you I'm the famous editor.
I know it is.
The famous editor.
The famous editor.
See, if somebody paid me like a band for a video, whatever they paying, I'll do it. I'll be hyped to do it, and I get it done quick.
School's still in session.
Man, they probably got some nice stuff.
Oh, I'm really sorry right now. I'm about to go check to see if the sign is still in the back of the car, because if it's not, that was an epic fail and that was pointless. Like, what the? That's really irritating to me right now. And I don't have my lashes on or nothing, so I look crazy, but come on, y'all. Really? I worked hard for this. Now let me go look on the back of the car. I'm trying to see where he at. So it's weird because the sign is still in the back of the car. It says honk for good luck, but I don't know if anybody can read it because I had that little ass Sharpie and I was trying to hurry up and write it like 10 times over, but ain't nobody honking. We had one honk that I heard. One honk, and that was at the very beginning. We really ain't come to many stops. Somebody starts honking within this last few minutes on our way home. But that's really irritating. That makes me want to do this prank again. That makes me want to try this again. But I'm gonna have to try with somebody else because, as y'all can see, that was an epic film. Oh, I should have wrote it bigger. What an epic fail. Like, all my pranks be a freaking fail. Ain't nobody honking for good luck. Like, nobody want no good luck. Nobody wants good luck for the new year, I see. I had to wear my glasses because I had to cover up my eyes and my, like, I was thinking about wearing a hat because I had to cover up my smile and my eyes because I thought hella people was going to be beeping. But they're really not. That's why I wore those sunglasses. Because I don't never wear sunglasses. I only wore those sunglasses because I thought people was going to be beeping at us. And seeing at the beginning, I was trying to put this on to disguise my... I don't know if that makes sense. But she got STD or something. She came out legs wide open. Let's get back into character, y'all. Just in case. I ain't beat. Some traffic out today.
Ain't it?
Oh, shoot. Oh.
Calm down.
Oh, people beeping? You hear that?
They ain't beeping at me.
They're beeping at you. What the? How do you know they're not beeping at you? You didn't think those people was beeping at you?
No.
Alright. You're not used to me dressing comfortable and baggy like that. Well, let me quit talking because I think he is used to me dressing comfortable. But not like a big baggy shirt. When do I ever wear a big baggy shirt? I said I'm changing up my little look a little bit. Here he come, y'all. I'm sorry. So sorry. Rest yourself. Oh!
Really, nigga?
Back to the crib we is.
Look at them, back to prison.
I was free for a moment. So y'all, this was recorded afterwards too. He still has no idea that I even did that in the first place. So we're just sitting here looking crazy, like, what's going on?